Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of view who watered your plants in Heartopia, and if you want to return the favor to them, for instance, and you forgot their name, you can actually go to your watch and you can go to the friendship journal, then select the friends link. You'll be able to see who watered your plants. So it says this afternoon, this neighbor watered your Celine dandelion plant. You can even go to their houses and it's going to track basically their house. I did water her plants, but I didn't see the notification on this one, and I'm unable to visit their home because the player is offline. Um, and you can see other people's what they did. For instance, this person shared a repair kit with me, and then this person watered my purple rose plant, and then you are able to return the favor. I always return the favor if I see a notification, and I will always go to their houses and water their plants. But for instance, you missed the notification, you can view it from there. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!